Hello lovely, welcome back to my kitchen. This is Suya. It is such a pleasure coming your way. I'm sharing with you today how to achieve the tastiest delicious chofi or turkey tail with tips and tricks to get most of the fat out. So come on in and let's get cooking. Among others, preparation is also key to getting the tastiest and fat-free turkey tail. I have already prepared these ones. I'm going to do the last one for you to see how I achieve this. Make an indent on the back and just before you hit the bone, slice it downwards, taking with you all the impurities and some of the fat. And when I'm cooking just a small batch for my family, I cut the sides as well to expose the inside so the fat can easily cook or melt away. Go ahead and take any feather that you might see. The final thing we are going to do is to give it a slice all around this area to make it look pretty and also to further expose the inside so the fat can fry or cook away. I'm going to go ahead and cut this bit off as well. So now look, it has been nicely prepared, and if you wish you can go ahead and chop it into two if you want, but today we are making this in whole. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and squeeze some lemon onto it and give it a thorough wash until the water runs clear. Then we will transfer onto our cooking pot. Seasoning will be going for green chilies, onions, ginger and some garlic. If you like garlic like me, go ahead and use a bit more like this. Okay, so I've gone ahead to blend everything and I'm going to pour over our turkey tail. Okay, so now I'll add in some smoked paprika to give it a nice color and also some nice smoky flavor. And this is chicken seasoning cube, okay? And then it will be followed by some salt and thyme. If you have rosemary, go ahead and add it as well, because herbs dear emma ediani eyisham fine. Yes, so I'll stir everything together and cover it to cook. It doesn't take time at all for this to be ready. 15 minutes into cooking, this is how it looks like. The stock tastes nice and so will the turkey tail, and it has a nice color to it as well. So look, this is how it looks like, and it is almost ready. So we're going to take it off the fire. Wow, and so it looks so inviting already, and the stock can be incorporated into other dish. Remember, we season it very well and the turkey got washed with lemon, so it is nice and good, so it is okay to be used. Now we go ahead and fry our turkey tail. Fine. Because we haven't finished at all. As soon as it turns brown like this, we will take them off the fire, and then we will quickly fry the next batch. Then cool. Yes, so this is ready as well. So now we've got everything fried. It is nicely fried. You can have it like this on its own, but so when we hold the let's take it to another level. Over here are some chili flakes, and this is some Suya powder as well as Shito. Yes, I made this last week. It came out amazing. Description box has the link if you want to check it. So now I will put all the fried turkey in a larger bowl, and if your Shito is quite thick, you can lighten it up with a little bit of oil and spread it all across the turkey tail. If you are new to my channel, hello, you are so welcome, and I hope you like it in here to subscribe. Join the family and let's cook delicious meals together. Yes, thank you very much. I will now add the chili flakes to this as well, and then that will be followed by the Suya powder. My lovely, if you make your Chofi exactly like this, oh boy, you would be so pleased with the result. It just comes out so delicious. Now I'm gonna go ahead and toss everything together just to make sure that it gets mixed up very well. You can go in with a spoon or spatula and give it a good old mix as well if you want. Let me add a little bit more chili scra and start count. Yes, na enye fine, but if you are not fan of too much chili, it will be okay for you at this stage. Yes, so here I'm just making sure that every corner of this Chofi has something to talk about. Yes, I'm just putting the seasoning into all the openings so that it gets really seasoned well. Okay, so the next step we want to do to make sure that most of the fat gets drained off is to bake this in the oven. And please use your rack just so that the turkey does not sit in its oil. We want to get rid of it. Yes, take a look at this. It just looks so beautiful. Yes, so it is ready, and now I'll be baking this on a low heat for about 30 minutes. And just after 10 minutes, take a look at how much fat has already drained. So I'll continue to bake it until it is ready. Look at all this oil that we've collected, leaving it super drained and without the inside being too soggy with fat. Yes, other for a try neshe na obe pepper, a spicy, delicious, tasty. And if you are with me until this time, I am sure you love what I am doing. Enunti, I hope you give this video a like. And I'm going to open one for you to see in a short while. It goes deliciously well with fried yams, rice, or kenke. And look, nice and firm. Yes, just to say, because of health reasons, but well, once in a while, say I see a share no, and make it just like this. And I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, take care, be blessed, bye bye.